cheesecake cupcakes, and I am making the base right now. So as you can see, I have a graham cracker base. So that is crushed graham crackers, 3/4 of graham crackers crushed, and butter, 2 tablespoons of butter mixed together. So I mixed it in this bowl, and I mixed it together, and then I stuck it inside the cupcake liners. So, and then I pressed it down. So next, I'm going to put this in the oven for 5 minutes and cook it till it is not crumbly, but dry. And now I have to puree 3/4 cup of strawberries, so I will be right back. Okay, I'm now going to cream my butter and sugar till it's light and fluffy. I will be right back. I now added my eggs, milk, strawberry puree, and vanilla extract into the mixer. I'm now going to mix this until it's smooth. I will be right back. I'm now going to mix my baking powder and flour into this strawberry mixture. I am now going to beat my butter and sugar together in the mixer. Alright, now that I've got my butter and cream cheese mixed together, I am adding 1 cup of sugar and vanilla. Alright, now that I've got my butter and cream cheese mixed together, I am adding 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I will be right back. Alright, I added my last cup of powdered sugar, and I am mixing it now. I now finished my cream cheese frosting, and this is what the final thing looks like. Okay, now that my cupcakes are done cooling and my cream cheese frosting is all done, I am going to start frosting. So I'm just going to go like this. And come back in a moment to finish the topping. Alright, I am now finished with my frosting of my cupcakes. Now the last part is putting the topping on top, and that's going to be some strawberries that have been cut a few times. So I'm just going to put a few of these on top of each cupcake. Just like that. Alright, I finished topping and frosting my cupcakes. Now for the finished product. Hope you had fun baking with me. See you next time.